Introducing Blackview DR750S 2-channel IR Cloud Dashcam with interior infrared camera. The DR750S 2-channel IR is the perfect camera for taxi and rideshare drivers looking to capture both the road ahead and the interior of their vehicle in full HD. The front camera with Sony Starvis sensor records in 60 frames per second, producing bright and fluid videos night and day. Equipped with infrared LEDs, the interior camera guarantees clear videos of inside your vehicle even in complete darkness. DR750S 2-channel IR includes Wi-Fi and cloud compatibility, so you can check on your car from anywhere, anytime with the Blackview app. As every other Blackview, DR750S 2-channel IR features buffered parking mode with impact and motion detection. It works wonders in conjunction with live auto upload to save footage to the cloud in real time, so you get video proof even in case of dashcam theft. Blackview DR750S 2-channel IR. Secure your vehicle inside and out. Find yours at blackview.com. Introducing Blackview DR590W series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcams. The Blackview quality in a connected compact dashcam. Both main cameras use a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor. This means brighter images in dark surroundings, so your vehicle is well protected day and night. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080p, while the single channel model records in full HD at up to 60 frames per second. Featuring buffered parking mode, your Blackview protects your vehicle when you are away. With its low profile, it never gets in the way of your driving. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect to your dashcam with the Blackview app. Adjust your dashcam's orientation, modify settings, and download videos to your smartphone without ever taking the microSD card out. Blackview DR590W series, simple Wi-Fi dashcam. Find yours at blackview.com. Introducing Blackview DR900S 2-channel, the first dual-channel dashcam featuring 4K Ultra HD. Blackview redefines dashcam visual fidelity with 4 times the full HD resolution. Combined with high shutter speed and a wide angle of view, the 4K resolution makes a world of difference. Zoom in on crucial details like license plates and images stay sharp. The best part? Blackview integrates the latest video compression technology, so even with 4 times the resolution, you can record for as long as with a regular full HD dashcam. And with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and optimized video substreams, video transfer to your phone is blazing fast, whether you connect to your dashcam directly or through the cloud. Blackview DR900S 2-channel, redefining dashcams. Find yours at www.blackview.com.